Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a Box, and our mission is to give your driver the best possible experience in the cab of that truck with your ELD technology. Now, how do we do that? We supply the right gear, we make sure it's set up the right way, and we make sure that it's managed the right way. Now, a lot of trucking companies have been using these terminals for years, and now the modern ELD system uses a tablet, an Android tablet. And if you think about an Android phone or an iPhone, you can do a ton of stuff with those devices. Well, guess what? You can do the same thing with your ELD tablet in the cab of the truck. And we know that the purpose of that tablet is for logs, to be compliant with FMCSA hours of service guidelines. A lot of companies use it for proof of delivery in addition to that, scanning the bill of lading documents, turn-by-turn navigation, but mostly we see it stop there. And I'm sitting here looking at this like, we have this technology that can do things that it's never been able to do before in the cab of the truck. Why don't we just maximize it? So let's talk about what your ELD tablet can do. It can do navigation. We've talked about that. It can do proof of delivery. It can do electronic logging. But how do we enhance the driver's experience in the cab of the truck? Well, we all know that drivers have to be constantly trained. Okay, so you can put training videos right on the tablet. You can use a training platform to deliver those videos like Carrier's Edge. You can use Google Drive. You can use Lightspeed VT. There's all different types of solutions out there for getting training content to your drivers. Next is communication. We all have cell phones, but what about how drivers used to communicate? I'm talking about the cowboys of the road. They use the CB radio. So when we partner with a company called Zello and Stone Mountain, and we bring together a driver communication bundle, one-touch instant access to dispatch. So driver communication is a key thing that will give that driver a good experience. And then we have entertainment. Data plans are either limited to a certain amount of data, or they're unlimited. So you could get an unlimited data plan and you can lock the tablet down, okay, and allow the driver to log into Netflix. It's 2022. So everybody has a Netflix login, everybody has an Amazon login, so they can log right in to those entertainment services and watch videos, watch movies, watch TV shows while they're laying in the sleeper of the truck. And then we lock it down so they can't do that while they're driving down the road. It could be a mobile office. We have customers that have their intranet, their internal resources on the tablet as well. They click a web link, they log in, and then all of their information, their HR, their benefits, anything that they would need internally is right at their fingertips. And then lastly is content delivery. We all love and appreciate our drivers, right? Well, what if you could get in front of the camera and then send a video out to the drivers, letting them know how important they are to your organization, doing announcements, talking about new contracts your company is picking up, talking about maybe a referral program where the driver can refer, say, their cousin and get a few $1,000s, for the referral. So, but really, it's about making that driver experience in the cab of the truck as good as it can be. And how you do that is you make sure you have the right gear, you make sure it's set up the right way, and you make sure that it's managed the right way, and then we stack all these other things, and before you know it, instead of the driver like, I gotta use this ELD to monitor my time, the driver's like, man, this ELD has made my life better. So think about that. If we can help you, please let us know, because we love drivers, and we love to help you retain drivers, and we would love to help you. Thank you so much.